Riyadh of Riyadh Alumni.
I want to welcome everyone with Alumni Homecoming for Riyadh.
Looking forward to be a part of this bigger family.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go down. Go down.
I think what I've learned the most on this journey is never stop learning. And prioritizing is very important, not just in our job, in our personal life. Having yourself new things to learn.
We share ideas, we discuss possible future.
And I'm proud to say that I'm from the first cohort of the DBA program.
What I've learned on this workshop, we get to connect with people, understanding how business is from other industries.
I think this is something unique. To have something like this in Riyadh is very important. It will expand Westford community.
Great things happening in future. Really happy to meet people around.
So I think it will be beneficial both to the alumnus and to current students of Westford.
You're looking to enhance your education, you're looking to expand your knowledge, Westford is the place.
Never stop learning because life never stops teaching.